In today's video, I'll show you how to create a script that lets players double jump in your Roblox game. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel to support me. After opening Roblox Studio, the first thing you need to do is open the Explorer tab and look for Start a Player. If the Explorer tab is not visible, simply click on Window and then click on Explorer and it will appear on the right side of your screen. Once you find the Starter Player folder, expand it and then open Starter Character Script. Inside this folder, click the plus icon and add local script. I also recommend renaming this local script to Double Jump just to keep your project organized. I'll leave the code you need in the description of the video. Simply copy the code, go back to Roblox Studio, and paste it inside the script you just created. After that, close the script and press play. Once you load into the game, press the spacebar and you'll notice that your character can jump twice instead of only once. Before ending the video, let me quickly show you a few settings inside the script that you can customize if you want. Open the script again, and on line 8, you can change the cooldown between jumps. On line 9, you can change the power of the double jump. The higher the value, the stronger and higher the jump will be. If this video was useful, consider subscribing to the channel to help support more content like this.